Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's do our usual analysis for gold. Right. Let me share my screen with you. That guys, analysis for the 5th of October 2023. And as you can see, the gold is moving to the upside at the moment right now. And this was the Asian high and this purple in between this range. There's a purple lines, there's high and low, Asian high and low, and we had a good trading opportunities today. I hope you made profit, and we still have, probably if you have still trade running, you can see the market is going up from this support level and also this Asian low as well. And that was amazing. Right, let me draw the new fresh support and resistance so that you can analyze according to that. Okay, so this first, let's draw the monthly levels. That would be red in color. Right. Okay. And we don't draw this one because we're still in the monthly running candle. So I'll leave this stop. Now weekly would be what color weekly? We do draw orange weekly. So let me make orange first, the color, and then we'll take it from there. This is orange color in weekly, so let's see where it fits. That's weekly. Also, that's a week. There's a level here, and also actually, let me move these orange lines. Maybe I could have drawn some more levels for monthly, and that's monthly as well. That's monthly as well. Now I draw the weekly. Let's change the color first of all to orange. That's orange. Now you can draw weekly levels. In fact, we don't need this. These are weekly level, and now daily levels would be yellow. Let me draw these levels. First of all, let me change the color of the level. Change to yellow. Right, and that would be daily. So it can be a level as well. And also that can be level as well. So it's going to be a level, but I leave it for now. We don't want to confuse too many levels. Just pay attention to the price movement, and you can adjust your time levels accordingly. Now 4H would be blue. Let me change the color of it. Blue. Sorry. So these are 4H levels, blue ones, and you can draw more levels. Sorry, you can draw more levels in 1H as well. So if you wanna do smaller time frame also, 1H 15 minutes or half an hour, you can do that as well. I'll leave it to 4H levels. If we go to 1 hour time frame, you'll see this is the movement of the moment. If I draw in 1 hour, in fact, what I can do here, let me draw this brush, this level, that would be 1 hour. And that's it. I think that's enough. These levels are enough. But if you want to draw some more levels, minor levels, like 1 hour levels, you can do so for scalping at 30 minutes, 15 minutes. You can always draw levels for that as well. So leave it to 4H levels. I think that's enough for your understanding. Sorry. And these are the levels, and you know how to trade on the levels. And if you do not, please do a comment on the video, make a comment, and I'll make another video for you how to trade on levels. Basically, once the level is broken, you take a trade on a retest. That's a usual practice. However, if it's a market too much volatile, you can trade without breaking a level and using other strategies like moving average, etc., depending on how you trade. So that's a rough idea I'll give you how to trade. But if you want me to make a video, I can make a video on how to trade on trade levels. So please do comment, make a comment on the video, and I'll definitely make a video for you guys. All right, then thank you very much, and I hope it's helpful. Just to remember that on higher time levels, they are broken, market give more pips, and in a smaller time frame, and then you get less pips. Just one more thing I need to Forex Factory. I need to go through that as well. I just completely forgot about that. Sorry about that. And for tomorrow, we have 1:30 p.m. the heavy impact news for gold. That's what only generally interested in gold news. That's 1:30. So tomorrow is bank holiday Chinese yen and GBP 9:30 a.m. medium impact news and CAD 3 p.m. medium impact news. So that's it as far as the news is concerned. And Dixie, let's see what's happening in Dixie. This is the gold chart, and amazingly, just for your information, look, this market rejected from here. It's an extra knowledge for you guys. Market tested this level with a fair value gap. Here was a rejection candle here. There was a sell trade here. Why? Because it was a level and it was a fair value gap and there's a rejection candle, the three confirmations. And then you take a sell trade, stop loss above, look how many pips get. And then market took the liquidity from here. You could have taken a trade here as well if you didn't take from here. So look, market's still running in profit. So I hope this short information is very helpful for you guys. So also let me go into Dixie and see what's happening here in Dixie. Dixie is coming down sharply at the moment. And let me make some level, put some fresh level for Dixie. So Dixie's probably will come down here and then eventually here by the look of it. So let's see how the market moves, and I hope this is helpful to you. Okay then, guys, have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.